Botany students, happy Monday. This is a follow-up video letting you know what to do for this Monday, Tuesday assignment. This is not yet posted, but it will be as of Monday morning. So I posted my companion video about the monocot and dicot lecture. So that video will be attached in this assignment as well. So what you're going to do for this assignment is you're going to go ahead, watch that monocot dicot video, complete the monocot dicot check, which is 3 questions, and I talk about that check in the lecture video. So watch the video, complete this, 3 quick questions. Then I want you to go ahead and complete this pre-lab, virtual folks. So this pre-lab is going to be a 1-page thing. So it's just 1 page. You'll each be given a copy of that on Classroom, which I've set up here. So you're going to watch this 4-minute video, and based on the video, you're going to go ahead and answer these questions. So, and it will be given to you right in the video. You shouldn't have to think too hard or search too hard. You'll find the answers in the first 2 minutes, but please do watch that whole thing. It's only about 4 minutes, and it shows you from seed until harvest how to grow tomatoes. So if you wanted to try to do this in the spring as a virtual student, feel free, or you could follow along if you have a pot or some tomato seeds at home. So answer these questions, and then in this part 2, I want you to go ahead and pick an independent variable that you would like to have tested. So I know you won't actually be there to plant it, but I can actually set up a couple of different pots. Essentially, I'm not going to set up a pot for every virtual student, but I would set up some pots for whatever independent variable you would like. So if we have virtual students who chose water amount, I can set up an experiment that gives seeds different water, or plant food fertilizer. I can set up a pot that does that, and then we can just collect data and I'll send you that data. So go ahead, pick one of these. Water amount, so different water amounts, perhaps one gets fertilizer, one doesn't. Soil type might be a little bit more difficult, but using the materials I can probably get creative. Light versus no light. Perhaps you want, one plant to be in the dark, one to be in the light. And then type of water. So I want you to choose which of these you will test, or essentially you will get data for, and I will then provide you with some data, assuming that everything goes off okay with this experiment. So I want you to complete this. Go ahead, you'll hit the gray turn in button. So that is what you will do for this Monday, Tuesday assignment. This will be due on Wednesday at 11:59. From here on out, I'm starting my kind of midnight deadlines instead of 7:55, just to expedite the process of grading and make it easier for you to know when something is due, because a lot of you might be kind of night owls. I am not, but feel free to stay up till 11 p.m. and get these assignments done. And then next week, or not next week, I would say later in the week, as a preview, we will be starting our tomato seed lab, which will be provided to you at that time. And once again, all this data, whatever data I would have to send to you, but essentially the data and observations are the only thing you wouldn't be able to actually do on your own, unless you were growing tomatoes at home. But you could certainly make a hypothesis, and all this part A stuff is completely doable at home, and that will be the assignment for Thursday, Friday. All right, so I know I probably covered a lot. Feel free to reference the botany calendar for any and all questions you have. And it's fairly up to date. I also want to mention there is a test coming up. It'll be so today's Monday. It'll be next week, Thursday, Friday. I also mentioned it in the lecture video. So I am putting together a study guide, and it will be linked here for you to use. It looks like this. It'll ask you questions that pertain to our class notes, as well as the importance of plants in this flower diagram as well. All right, everybody. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to check in with me, virtual folks, via email or via just turning in an assignment. There's no need to meet face-to-face, but if you would like to, feel free to sign up for that Google Meet time slot. on Wednesday. All right, everybody, take care and have a great day. Bye.